this is the area that I'm working on first. So this is my entry and my hallway. So I have 10-foot tall ceilings and a really long entry hallway. And so this is like a piece that I made out of book pages. It's a wreath that I made myself out of book pages and Christmas ornaments. I think I showed this maybe about a year ago. And it really is like a talking point in my home. I might even keep it there. But what I am intending on doing right here is having a custom mirror built. So that way I can really do this space justice. I don't know, it's like I'm looking at artwork and I don't know, just art just doesn't seem to really be like the best option for this curved arch here. So I'm thinking custom mirror and maybe something beneath there. And here, this is just like a clock that I got and I just needed a place to put it. I didn't want to put it in the kitchen because I don't know why. So, but I really do like the idea of a clock. And so, because the thing about it is, I don't know, just clocks are just so timeless. And that's what I really love about clocks. And so, and I really don't want to do just like your typical mirror, especially if I'm going to put a mirror here. So I don't want to mirror, quote unquote, the same sentiment on the opposite side, but I'm going to maybe do like a big clock here and a really nice entry table right here. And I already have some ideas, you guys. So, and I'm also thinking here, artwork. That way you have some really nice art pieces to see as soon as you're heading in. And this space right here, so what I love about this, of course, like I said, I love the contrast, love the high ceilings, love white walls, but I'm thinking black for this door. I don't know. Like, I don't know. I'm thinking. I want to see what you guys think. Hi, Kim. So black door. I might even have somebody paint the window trim black as well. So one thing that you can see that is similar, or at least that's outside, is that the exterior has like this black light fixture, but all the other light fixtures in the house are like this silver, like brushed nickel color. And so are all of like the door hardware, which I don't mind. So I definitely want to keep like the metal of the hardware, like, you know, keep the knobs like the satin nickel. I really don't think it needs to be changed, but I definitely want to switch out the ceiling light fixture, maybe do a modern ceiling fan that also has a light, but then also change out this ugly light fixture over here. And so I'm thinking pendant lights that drop down here and also there. I might even mirror those two light fixtures. So these are just like, you know, a few ideas that I'm seeing for the space, and I'm gonna get started on it. The process is about to get started. So that is me, and I will keep you guys updated on progress, that you guys see what all I have going on, and I will keep you updated. All right.